Welcome to this guided meditation on opening your third eye. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position with your spine straight and your hands resting gently in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and your mind to settle. Begin by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this a few times, making you feel more relaxed with each breath. Now, bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, the area known as the third eye. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing in this area with each breath. See this light growing brighter and more radiant. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, visualize a lotus flower blooming at your third eye. See each petal gently unfolding, revealing a vibrant indigo light at the center. This light represents your intuition, inner wisdom, and insight. Take a moment to feel the energy of this indigo light. Feel it radiating from your third eye, expanding outwards and filling your entire head with a sense of clarity and awareness. This is the light of your higher consciousness, your connection to the deeper truths within you. Now imagine this indigo light forming a beam that extends upwards, connecting you to the universe. Feel this connection strengthening with each breath, knowing that you are tapping into a vast reservoir of wisdom and understanding. As you sit in this space, allow any thoughts or images to come and go without judgment. Trust that your third eye is opening and you are becoming more in tune with your inner guidance. If any insights or intuitions arise, simply observe them and let them flow naturally. Feel the energy of your third eye chakra growing stronger and more vibrant and more open. Embrace the clarity, the insight, and the connection to your higher self. Let this energy flow through you, filling you with peace, wisdom, and understanding. Stay with this feeling for a few moments, breathing deeply and allowing the energy to circulate through your body. Trust in the process and know that you are awakening your inner vision and intuition. I will give you a few moments to receive any messages or insights that your third eye may give. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, taking a few deep breaths in and out. Feel the ground beneath you and the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I want you to take a moment to notice how you feel, carrying this sense of clarity and insight with you throughout your day. Remember, your third eye is always there, guiding you and providing you with inner wisdom whenever you need it. Thank you for joining this meditation, and have a peaceful and insightful day.